It is not easy for young women in Lesotho to access HIV and sexual and reproductive health services. HIV and pregnancy-related complications are still the #1 cause of death for young Basotho women, despite most of these services being free. More accessible and women-friendly community spaces are urgently needed. We conducted a study to assess the possibility of offering HIV or SRH services at hair salons in Lesotho. We had 157 hairstylists and 307 female hair salon clients filling in a questionnaire. More than 83% of stylists and clients said they would be comfortable with offering and receiving SRH services, including HIV counseling, HIV self-testing, and HIV pre- and post-exposure prophylaxis. Over 90% of stylists thought this would have a positive impact on their business. Stylists and clients told us that hair salons are safe spaces and non-judgmental and very accessible. However, only 21% of salons have an additional confidential space. Some concerns were raised about privacy and the stylist's role and capacity. The Hair Salon Project is looking forward to the next phase of the project, a pilot to put these findings into practice and to test the idea of offering SRH services to young Basotho women in hair salons.